For our Saxon math lesson today, you're going to need your linking cues. Make sure they are all linked together. And we're going to open our book to page 287 to lesson 72A. And we're going to complete on this page problems 1, 2, and 3. So we'll begin at the top of the page. The first thing you need to do is draw a line segment for your name. So remember, a line segment has a dot at one side, a dot at the other side, and then you're going to connect those two dots. And if you have a ruler, you can do it with a ruler, but we're going to use our linking cubes because we have that. So there's our line segment. So you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write Spotty Cat's name because he is my helper today. He's right here. He's going to watch. And I leave about a finger space of room between his first name and his last name. Okay, and then it says the date. Okay, so we're going to write today's date. Today is April. So that's a capital A, P, R, I, L. April, put a finger space. 21st, which we write with the number 21. Then we put a little comma, and then the year is 2020, so we write a 2020. And the day of the week today is Tuesday. We've got Spotty Cat here, and he always comes out on Tuesday. So Tuesday is capital T. It is a name, U-E-S-D-A-Y. Just like April is a name, it's going to have a capital letter. Spotty Cat is a name, so capital letter at the beginning of first name and last name. Okay, tally marks. How we're going to do our tally marks. That's what that little box is right there. So we've got teddy bears in our mystery jar here, so we're going to take those out and count those and write tally marks. I'm going to put them right here, and as I count them, we will write a tally mark. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember to put the slide going down to show 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then at 10, we're going to put our slide going down to connect those 4 marks. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's a slide going down. Okay, and then 16, 17, 18, one more, final teddy bear, 19. Okay, so we have 19 tally marks today. Okay, so I can just write that right above. We had 19, and we can count 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Tally marks are easy to count when you know how to count by fives. All right, so number 1 says, write the number 65 2 more times. How many digits are on the line? So we're going to just trace first. 65. Start at the dot. 65. 65. Okay, so the digit is each individual number. So we had 3 6s, 1, 2, 3, and 3 5s, 1, 2, 3. If we count those all together, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 digits on the line, so we'll put a 6 there. All right, let's look at number 2. It says Mrs. Watts has 3 slices of bread. So we're going to circle that number 3. She cuts each slice in half. Draw a picture to show what happened. How many children can have a piece of bread now? Okay, so 3 slices of bread. So I'm going to use squares There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So go ahead and do that. Those are your 3 slices of bread. Okay, then she's going to come along with a knife, Mrs. Watts. She cuts them in half. So just start with your pencil about the top. Just draw a line down the middle of the first square. Draw a line down the middle of the second square. Draw a line down the middle of the third square. Okay, so imagine those are your slices of bread, and they've just been cut in half, each one. So how many children can have a piece of bread? Well, a piece would be a half, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children can each have a piece of the bread. So write your 6 over there. Okay. Number 3. To complete this lesson today, we're going to count the tally marks. So remember, tally marks are counting by 5. So go ahead and do that with me. So we would have 5. I can write the 5 right there. Then I would have 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, counting by 5, 26, 27. 27, there we go. So there's 27 tally marks there. Go ahead and put the 27 on that line right there. Okay, and then give yourself an exit ticket just about halfway down that page today. We will work on the second half of this page tomorrow. Good job today, boys and girls.